Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is David. You're watching Adventures of David and Aaron, and today is day number 7 of Vlogmas. So today we're going to teach you how to make some Kentucky bourbon gloss. To make this candy, all you're going to need is some Hershey's cocoa, some vanilla wafers, some corn syrup, powdered sugar, measuring cup, measuring spoons, a container to put your candy in, and some Jim Beam Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. Higher the proof, better the candy. This particular kind is an 80 proof. So let's make some candy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to wash your hands real fast because you will be using your hands to mix the cookie batter. So make sure you wash your hands really good and dry them off. You're going to need a chopper, or you can use a rolling pin or a little mini food processor. You're going to need 1 cup of crushed vanilla wafers. So after you have your 1 cup of crushed cookie crumbs from the vanilla wafers, you're going to put those in a bowl. You're also going to need 1 cup of powdered sugar. Close enough. Mix that into the bowl. Then you're going to take your cocoa and add 2 teaspoons. Voila. Then you're going to take your measuring cup and put 1/4 cup of bourbon in the measuring cup. You can put a little extra if you want, but don't put a lot extra or it won't work well with the recipe. After you finish putting the bourbon into the mixing glass, you're going to do 1 1/4 teaspoon of corn syrup. Then you're going to take a spoon and mix that up. Alcohol is going to help dissolve the syrup. Now I'm not adding nuts to this recipe. You can add nuts, probably like 1/4 cup of nuts. I would highly recommend soaking the nuts in bourbon overnight for 24 hours, then adding them to your recipe. With my diet, I just can't do nuts or seeds. So in this particular batch, I'm not going to add nuts. I will be doing some more. Well, we will be adding nuts that way I can give it to family, friends, or co-workers. So the next step is you take your bourbon and your corn syrup. You're going to add it. And then you're going to take a spoon. At some point, you're just going to get your hands in there and do it. And you're just going to keep stirring it all up until the texture starts to get thick. And you're going to know by the texture. Alright, so after you've mixed all the ingredients and you have it in the bowl and the candy is going to thicken up. If you see that the candy is a little watery or you need to thicken it up a little bit, you can add some extra crushed vanilla wafers. So then you're going to take your cookie container or candy container that you're going to put it in, line it with wax paper or parchment paper. You're going to take a plate. You're going to put a little powdered sugar on the plate. Spread it out on the plate. And then you're going to grab your candy, roll the balls. And then dip it in the powdered sugar. And then you have a bourbon ball. Lay it into the wax paper. Give yourself another one. And like I said, if the texture of the candy feels a little too tacky or it needs more ingredients, you can always add some extra cookie crumbs.